Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to your passkeys for web browsers on iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, to check this, you want to open Settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to the Privacy and Security. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again and click Passkey Access for Web Browsers. So click on this one, and here, as you can see, applications that have ever requested the ability to see which websites and apps you have saved passkeys for are going to be listed here, and you should not find any applications right here. So if you have some applications here, you should be concerned and check those applications that have access to those informations, because this is, just the access to your passwords. So check it if you have some applications right here, and if you do, just check those applications, are they trustworthy. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!